Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. So I know I look a little bit crazy right now, wig unglued, hair not done. In today's video we're going to be doing a hair video, and it's all about this hair that I have on my head. Today we are working with Ali Sugar hair. Basically I'm going to show you guys how to get a hairstyle that Makai actually did on me a couple of days ago. So I'm basically going to show you guys how to achieve that look, hopefully. I've never done it before, so we will be practicing together for the first time, basically. But before I get into that, I'm going to tell you guys some details about the hair, and also show you guys how I lay down this frontal and all of that good stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. First things first, before we get into the whole styling part of the video, I'm just gonna lay down my frontal. Details about this hair. I have heard tons and tons of good things about Ali Sugar hair, so when they reached out to me I was more than keen to find out for myself. So I have in 3 bundles of 26 inch, and I also have 20-inch frontal. Yeah, I'm just gonna put these clips in to put any flyaways out of the way, and then I'm going to be using my trusty Got To Be Glued blasting freeze spray. So guys, as you can see, I have glued down one side of the frontal. The one thing that I'm just absolutely loving about this hair is how thin the lace is. Like, it's actually amazing. The lace literally melts into the skin. Like, it's really, really nice. Like, I'm really, really appreciating this hair.
Want you to come on over even if I'm asleep. Wake me up in my dreams. When you find me, if I sleep while I'm dreaming, and you come behind me, remind me what I am. You wanna play all upon it, early in the morning. You deserve a minute, do it how you want it. All upon it, early in the morning. You deserve a minute, we'll do it how you want it. I need you now.
I have finished gluing down my frontal. As you can see, this is not the natural texture of the hair. The hair came super straight, super silky, but like I said, Makai of Cypher, she actually did a wig installation on me on this hair on Friday, and she crimped it for me in this really pretty up down style that I will put somewhere on the screen. So obviously the hair has been crimped, curled, whatever you want to call it, so that's why it looks like this. So basically I'm just going to recreate said look. Well, I'm going to try to. I'm going to do my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to style the hair. So we're back. I've done my face, I've done all of that, and you know the sad thing about it, I beat my face, and I'm going absolutely nowhere. So basically I'm gonna do an up down hairstyle but crimped. So I'm basically gonna show you guys how to do that, and it's more of me learning how to do it and me showing you guys how to do it. So right now I'm just hot combing my hair so it's easier to pack up. oil wrap and set mousse, and then I'm just going to use that to kind of pack up the hair, but like almost in a way like kind of hold it down. We're just gonna take the hair and basically crimp it. These are the crimpers I have. Tutorial gone wrong. How not to crimp your hair 101. Okay, just a quick interlude to let you guys know that this hair takes quite some time to do. I spent a lot of my time sitting literally exactly like this doing this hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair off camera and then I will be back. We are back with the finished crimping look, and I'm just going to be honest with you guys, this took forever and a day and I haven't even done it properly. Like, the ends are very loose and it's not as tight as it could be. Basically, that is how you crimp your hair. You buy a crimper and then you crimp it. So what I will say is a very time consuming thing. So, you know, if you have to meet your girls by 9 and, you know, you're getting ready at 7, unless it takes you like 10 minutes to shower and do your makeup, I would not suggest doing this hair. Probably doing it the day before, but it's just beautiful the way it comes out. Like, these curls are just really, really gorgeous. If I had a bit more time, and I do have time, but it's like 9:30 at night, like I want to go to bed, like. So yeah, if I had a bit more time, I'd make it obviously a bit more tighter. I will leave the link for the crimper down below. I will also leave the link for this gorgeous hair from Ali Sugar down below. All the links will be in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. That is pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye. See ya.